A capitalization table is a fundamental document for any startup. Let us break down what it is and why it matters for ownership. Short for capitalization table, this is a ledger that tracks who owns what in a company. The table ensures that every slice of the company, from founders to early investors, adds up to exactly 100% ownership. It acts as a map of the company hierarchy, listing common stock, preferred shares, and future promises like employee option pools. While a stock ledger is a formal legal requirement, the cap table is a strategic tool for owners to model future fundraising scenarios. As a company grows and raises more money, the founder's percentage often shrinks, a process known as dilution. Keeping this document accurate is vital because it determines how much money everyone gets when a company is eventually sold. Understanding your cap table is a key step in learning startup finance. Subscribe for more basics on how businesses are built.